Hi there, kids! Welcome to our super fun adventure into the world of electricity and magnetism. Today, we're going to discover how these amazing forces work. Ready? Let's dive in. We are going to start our journey. Our first journey is, what is electricity? First, let's talk about electricity. Electricity is the flow of tiny particles called electrons.
Wow, electrons, what do they do?
Electrons move through wires and power up things like lights, computers, and even your favorite toys.
Now we will discuss about the conductors and insulators.
Like this metal, right?
Exactly. And materials like plastic and rubber don't let electricity pass through. They are called insulators.
Now, let's explore magnetism. Magnets have two poles, a north and a south pole.
What do magnets do, Robo, Miss?
Magnets can attract or repel other magnets and certain metals. It's a force that pulls things together or pushes them apart.
Did you know electricity and magnetism are connected? When electricity flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around it.
Really? That's so cool. What do you think, Robo, Miss?
Yes. And if you move a magnet near a wire, it can make electricity flow through the wire. This is called electromagnetism.
We use electricity and magnetism in many everyday things. For example, your electric fan and headphones.
I love my headphones. How do they work with magnets?
Inside view of a fan's motor and a headphone speaker showing magnets and electric currents.
We've learned so much about electricity and magnetism today. Remember, electricity powers our world, and magnets have amazing forces. Keep exploring and discovering new things every day.
Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you next time.
Goodbye, and keep experimenting with science. This is Robo from PowerKidsForFun. If you find the channel useful in any way, please like, subscribe. It inspires Power Kids to make new videos.